Hey guys, Bobby here from Cigars.com. Today we are back with another Cigar of the Month pack. As summer comes to an end, we have the perfect setup for you to finish your summer strong with our August Cigars of the Month pack. First up in our pack, we have a steal for the Cigars of the Month. This is the Liga Privada T52 in the Flying Pig size. So this cigar comes from Drew Estate, and it is a strong follow-up from their popular Liga Privada number 9. This cigar in this size is a rare, limited find, and it typically takes about 40 to 60 minutes to smoke. This cigar in the Flying Pig format is great after a couple hours maybe in the pool or just on a cool summer night to get you through. Next up in our pack, we have the Aladino Connecticut Robusto. This cigar has binder and filler tobaccos, both from Honduras, wrapped over a beautiful Ecuadorian Connecticut wrapper. Some flavors that you'll pick up while smoking the Aladino Connecticut are notes of sage, sourdough, crackers, nougat, and maybe if you're lucky, even some sprinkles of peaches. An Aladino is typically known for their stronger cigars, but this one is just perfect and it gives you the great flavor notes that you'd love to smoke if you're a seasoned cigar smoker or if you're just starting out. Next up, we have one of the newest Deadwood cigars in the Deadwood line, the Deadwood Dominicana. This is the Toro size. It's a mellow smoke, and it's perfect for anyone who enjoys non-traditional cigars, and it's a good entryway into the other Deadwood brands that they have. One thing to note with the Deadwood Dominicana is it does have a sweetened cap, and while smoking the cigar, you may detect some flavor notes of warm butter, honey, vanilla, and cocoa. This makes the Deadwood Dominicana the perfect cigar to pair with a cappuccino. Next up in our pack, we have the La Gloria Cubana Los Gloriosos in the Toro size. This cigar is extremely special because it's going back to its roots, being blended by Ernesto Perez Carrillo from EPC. It is made at his factory, Casa Carrillo, and it pays homage to his roots. This cigar has a beautiful Ecuadorian Habano wrapper with a binder made up of a combination of Nicaraguan tobaccos from Esteli and Jalapa regions. And the filler is made up of Dominican tobacco with also some tobaccos from Nicaragua's Jalapa and Condega regions. Last but not least in the pack, we have the Romeo y Julieta Vintage. This 6 1/4 by 54 cigar is perfect if you're on the golf course and you have some time to smoke, or if you're just sitting around a bonfire with some friends. The Romeo y Julieta Vintage has some of the best tobacco in the world encased inside of it. Expertly rolled, it features an Ecuadorian Connecticut shade wrapper, a Mexican binder, and Dominican long fillers. Even though the cigar has a mellow to medium profile, it still provides a memorable smoking experience and will have a rich flavor profile overall. Thanks again for watching our video on August Cigars of the Month box. And if you have any friends wondering where you may have gotten maybe the Deadwood Dominicana or the rare Liga Privada T52, let them know you picked it up in our Cigars of the Month August pack at Cigars.com. Take care.